I needed some garden lights to help with security and to also illuminate my pups when they had to go and do what they have to go and do. I wanted them fence mounted, that is the lights not the pups, to cast an even light across my lawn, so I couldn't really use main powered lights, it just wasn't practical. Standard battery power lights also tend to be heavier and require more maintenance, so these weren't an option either. I thought I'd try some of the best rated solar powered security lights you can buy. They are made by a Chinese company called Claoner and come in various sizes, but typically ranging from the smaller 70 LED lights to the larger 206 LED model. There may be variations around these depending on your location. The ones I bought were the 140 LED 4-pack. They are a nice size and are ideal for mounting on a fence or above a front door or garage door. They also come with some sticky pads and screws to give you multiple mounting options. The instructions are simple and clear, and I didn't need a microscope to read them. The internal battery is rated at 2000 milliamps per hour and is charged during the day over a period of about 8 hours. How they fare during the darker winter days remain to be seen. I'll update the review description once I have that information. When I made this video it was nearing the end of the summer and the days were bright and fairly long. Reviews of this product suggest they still work during the winter, so my hopes are high. These lights are the updated version and claim to be 18% more efficient at charging the internal battery. They have a 270-degree angle of light which is very wide and have lights built into the sides as well as the front to cast a light in all directions except straight up. Each unit can illuminate around 35 square meters or about 376 square feet, which is impressive. The motion detection works at about 10 to 16 feet and has an angle of 120 degrees, so it will pick you up from whichever side you approach it. It's very sensitive and will trigger when small pets are nearby. Anything from the size of a cat upwards will definitely trigger it. The lights are IP65 rated, which means they can withstand low-powered water jets or spray, so these are much more resilient against water ingress and will not be damaged by heavy rainfall. They also claim to be heat and frost resistant. Time will tell. During the day they remain off to conserve battery power. During the night you have 3 modes to choose from, easily chosen by pressing the button on the front to cycle through the modes. Mode 1, medium illumination, always on when dark, but no motion detection. Mode 2, dim illumination, always on when dark, plus very bright light when motion detected. Mode 3, light off when dark, plus very bright light when motion detected. This is a setting I use. So how do they work in the real world? I have a fairly small garden, and as mentioned earlier, I just wanted to illuminate the lawn so I can see my pups at night. Also to act as a security deterrent, so that my garden didn't have any dark areas. As you can see, the 4 lights I installed are super bright and do a great job of casting light over the lawned area and beyond. I really was very impressed with just how bright they are, and the video doesn't really do them justice. They are much brighter than they look. They turn on for around 20 seconds and will stay on if you continue to move around. This is ideal for security and for my needs. The less time they stay on for, the longer the battery will last. If I was spending more time out in the garden after dark, perhaps sitting out with friends or family, then I'd probably set them to the always on after dark mode with no motion detection. As long as the battery is fully charged, the always on mode will last around 12 hours. More than enough for a few drinks with friends on the patio. So there you have it, the Claoner Solar Motion Sensor Light 4-pack. They come in a range of sizes with lesser or greater light output and are super bright with 3 useful modes. They also have a very wide spread of light and a good battery life. The high ratings left by customers are reassuring and they are highly recommended by myself. There are links in the description to the lights that I bought if it interests you, plus links to some other gear I use. Thank you so much for watching. If that was interesting or useful, then please consider a thumbs up. It's a big help to my small channel if you do. If you'd like to see more tech reviews, then please consider subscribing. Thank you once again, please stay safe, and I hope to catch you soon.